New guidelines for grant of no objection certificate for electives observership by foreign nationals in Indian medical colleges under the National Medical Commission.
Hello medical students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here is an update from the National Medical Commission with regard to the issue of no objection certificate to medical students, doctors from foreign countries to do the elective or observership training in Indian medical institutions. According to the existing practice, foreign nationals, either a medical student or a doctor, who are desirous of doing elective or observership in Indian medical institution must apply to the Medical Council of India in a prescribed format with a remittance of Rs 5,000 plus 18% GST. This application contains the name of the foreign country, the name of the institution where the foreign nationals desirous of willing to do the elective or observership training, etc. The Medical Council of India will scrutinize the application and issue a no objection certificate to such students to do the elective observership. In order to review the existing practice of issuing no objection certificate, a committee was constituted by the NMC under the chairmanship of the Undergraduate Medical Education Board to frame fresh guidelines and norms on this subject. Based on the recommendation of the aforementioned committee, the NMC now issued directions to all medical colleges in India to follow the fresh guidelines which is applicable from 1st March 2023 onwards. Number 1. Foreign nationals will not be allowed to do the elective or observership training on any capacity without the consent of the National Medical Commission. A maximum of 5% of the annual intake will be allowed for undergraduate category to do the elective observership. Similarly, a maximum of not exceeding 2 students per specialty will be allowed for postgraduate category. These medical students or doctors will not be allowed to examine or treat the patients. The maximum period of elective observership training is only for a period of 90 days only. Regarding the processing fee, for undergraduate category, it is rupees, that is $100 excluding the GST, and for postgraduate category, it is $200 excluding the GST payment. Foreign nationals who have already availed a elective or observership in training in Indian medical institution will not be allowed for the second time till the completion of 1 year from the previous training. These are all the fresh guidelines issued by the NMC for observation to the medical institutions to follow. For updates, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.
This is the official document released by the National Medical Commission. Guidelines for grant of NOC for elective observership by foreign nationals in Indian medical institutes, colleges under National Medical Commission. In order to review the existing practice available in the erstwhile Medical College of India, Medical Council of India regarding grant of no objection certificate to medical students, doctors from foreign countries, a committee was constituted under the chairmanship of President Undergraduate Medical Education Board to define the norms, guidelines in respect of electives observership by foreign medical nationals in Indian medical institutes, colleges under National Medical Commission. As per the recommendation of the aforementioned committee, all the medical colleges, institutes, colleges are hereby directed to follow the following norms guidelines while applying to the Commission for grant of NOC for electives observership by foreign nationals in India. No foreign national shall be allowed electives observership in any Indian medical institute, university, in any capacity without the consent of National Medical Commission. Number of foreign nationals for electives observership in UG category in a given academic year shall not exceed 5% of sanctioned annual intake of that medical college. The maximum number of foreign medical doctors for elective observership in PG category shall not exceed 2 doctors in each specialty per year in an institute college. No foreign medical student coming for electives observership UG or PG category shall be allowed to examine or treat the patients. The maximum period of electives observership shall be 90 days only. The processing fee to grant permission to foreign nationals for electives observership shall be $100 or equivalent excluding GST for undergraduate students and $200 for equivalent excluding GST for postgraduate students. A foreign national who has once availed of elective observership in India shall not be allowed to do the same second time till the duration of a minimum of 1 year of time is completed from the day of completing of the previous elective observership. The above guidelines shall be applicable with effect from 1st March 2023. This issues with the approval of the Chairman National Medical Commission. This is the official document released in the NMC web portal. Thanks for watching. For updates, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.